Next exercise.
Biceps leg concentration curl. Sit on a bench with your legs spread and a dumbbell in one hand. Lean forward slightly and place the elbow of the arm holding the dumbbell against the inside of your thigh. Curl the dumbbell up towards your shoulder, keeping your upper arm still. Lower the dumbbell back down with control. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions before switching arms.
Next exercise.
Inverted chin curl with bent knee between chairs. Set up 2 chairs as you would for the inverted row. Lie underneath the chairs and grab the seats with an underhand grip, palms facing you. Keep your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Curl your body upwards, bringing your head towards the chairs. Lower down with control to the starting position. Repeat.
Next exercise.
Doorway biceps curl. Stand in a doorway with your palms pressed against the door frame at shoulder height. Lean forward slightly, creating resistance with your body weight. Perform a biceps curl motion by bending your elbows and bringing your body closer to the door frame. Slowly return to the starting position. Repeat.
Next exercise.
Side push-up. Lie on your right side with your legs straight and left leg stacked on top of the right. Place your right arm on your left shoulder. Place your left hand on the floor in front of your chest, fingers pointing forward. Push through your left hand to raise your torso off the ground, extending your left arm. Lower your body back down with control. Complete the desired number of reps before switching side.
Next exercise.
Push up on forearms. Start in a forearm plank position with your elbows under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Lower your chest towards the ground by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your body. Push through your forearms to raise your body back up to the starting position. Keep your core engaged and maintain proper form throughout the movement. Repeat.
Next exercise.
Dip on floor with chair. Sit on the edge of a chair with your hands placed next to your hips, fingers pointing forward. Move your hips off the chair, supporting your body weight with your arms. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your upper arms are parallel to the floor. Push through your palms to extend your elbows and lift your body back to the starting position. Repeat.
Next exercise.
Decline diamond push-up. Place your feet on an elevated surface and form a diamond shape with your hands on the ground. Lower your body towards the ground, keeping your back straight and core tight. Push through your hands to extend your arms and return to the starting position. Repeat.